Today I'm reviewing this keepsake. It's a keepsake for your pet. It comes with clay for you to do the paw print. I absolutely love it because you take the paw print and push it up against the clay and it doesn't make any mess. And if you mess up, you can start over. So the clay doesn't dry very fast. It does take about a day or two for the clay to fully dry. It also comes with stencils. I did not use it for my pet, but you can certainly put letters on the clay itself. You can put their pictures in here. I put pictures and her collar. So that's how we display this. And as you can see, it is a box. You can use it as a frame. You can lay it down on his back. It has open over here. It has a link that you can turn up and then you just open. And then you can close it after you put everything in there. And it is a glass, and on the back of it you can hang it up if you choose to do so, but we just take it and it just kind of stands like this and it displays the keepsakes that we have of my Missy. So we absolutely love this because we have stored everything that's special about Missy in here, and we love the way it looks, we love the design, and I really think you should grab this. 10 out of 10, I recommend that you get this.